Hi everyone, welcome to our channel SHREE SISTERS। आज हम आपको बिस्किट्स के स्टार्टर्स बनाकर दिखा रहे हैं। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट जरूर करें और ऐसे ही वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। So the ingredients are boiled and mashed potato, Monaco and crackers biscuit, barik sev, chili flakes, salt, chaat masala, lemon juice, coriander leaves, chopped onion, and we will need some more chili flakes.
दीदी इसमें ये भी तो चाहिए होता है ना?
हाँ, in this we will also include sauce and oregano and cucumber slice, tomato slice and cloves.
दीदी इसमें ये क्यों चाहिए?
This is needed for making the face of the caterpillar. Okay, Rachel?
Okay.
So let's get started with the recipe. First, I will make a good and tasty stuffing for my snacks. So first I will put coriander leaves, and then chopped onion, and then salt, chaat masala and chili flakes, and then lemon juice. Now I will give it a good mix. Now let me make the sauce ready for the stuffing. First I will put oregano, and then chili flakes, and then we will give it a good mix. And then we will put it into it. You can add sauce as per your taste. Now let's get started.